What brought me to LinkedIn is I was looking for a place in which I could grow as an individual contributor. I needed a place that had enough technical complexity and challenges, but also people that I could learn from. I think the ads business had an immense growth over the last few years. That business growth translates into engineering opportunity for more interesting challenges. We were looking to further integrate optimization of ads with other lines of businesses. We thought originally about budgeting. Customers give us a budget and they spend results over that budget. But customers also expect a maximum amount of results over that budget. We formed a group with AI and ads optimization. This was a very rewarding experience for me for my growth, as I had to identify the right technologies for the business and also talk with experts on different areas to understand what could we use, what could be leverageable. Find a solution requires a set of technologies that we use in LinkedIn. What I think was particularly great about this product is that when you start seeing that other people understand what you're trying to do and they're trying to improve it and use it in ways that you originally didn't thought about it. This is a kind of like a bittersweet moment because you start to realize that your project, your proposal is no longer yours, it's becoming something larger than yours. I was working on automating sales at the time. At the time, there were two competing alternatives to solve this issue. One that was like the old way, which was already in production, and there was a new approach, which was being developed as we speak. At that time, we were using the old solution because it was safer for our timelines. But a high management decision came to us, saying that from now on, everybody should use the new system. And this jeopardized our timelines because most of the work we have done has been using the current solution. So the team decided to get together and brainstorm about how we're going to fix this problem. This is the first time I met this team, and I think we instantly connect. After that, we decided to go all into a whiteboard session. We were able to negotiate and understand all the roadblocks, all the problems that we will have with the new system, and quickly come up with a proposal that uses the new system as a way of solving the timeline issue that we have. I think this is probably one of my most productive times on LinkedIn, in which in a couple of hours, we were able to design a system that we'll end up building for the next 3 months. LinkedIn has this concept that is called the in-day, which is once a month, you get the opportunity to focus on yourself. You always have like this crave about, oh, I wish I could do this particular project. I wish I could learn about this thing, but you don't have time over the day. This is a very good time for you to actually use that time, which is company time, to focus on like, okay, I have this weakness, I want to work on it. Maybe you want to learn this particular technology. For example, I learned Spark and Jupyter Notebooks during in-day. LinkedIn truly embraces the concept of work-life balance by allowing you to control the velocity of your own career growth.